In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate PDF files to different language. So you can see this is English language. So I want to translate it to another language. I need to going on Google Drive, then upload a file on here. You need to first click on new, then file upload, then select your file, then okay, open. Then I already uploaded, so I need to click on big news here a file. Then you can see it's currently English, so I want to translate it another language. Just click on open with Google Docs, then you can see it's going to another file. So now I need to click on tools, then the last moment translate document, just click here, then select your language first. So the purpose I have to translate is French. You can translate its any others language. Here's a lots of language available. Don't worry. Now click on translate. That's it. Your work are already done. You need to only download this file. Now click on file, then click on download, then download PDF document. That's it. Your work is done. If I open this PDF file, then you can see it's open this French language. This one. It's completely free process. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Bye.